Hello again. As we saw last time, Joule skills are meant for and execute rule-based repetitive tasks with consistency and reliability. These are orchestrated through Joule, triggered based on user's intent and context, and follow a predefined execution flow. Joule skills become an important tool for agents to use while solving more complex scenarios. Let's see how you can build a custom Joule skill in Joule Studio. Start by accessing SAP Build Lobby. This is the central start page where you create and manage projects in SAP Build. In the current release, Joule Studio allows you to design Joule skills for deterministic, rule-based tasks and help extend Joule. When creating a Joule skill, use description field to define the purpose of the skill. Joule uses this description to identify and trigger the appropriate skill based on user intent. In this example, we want to create an employee ID badge in a third-party system after performing a prelim check in an SAP system. Let's create a custom Joule skill for that in a low-code environment. I'm toggling off this generate response because I want to define a custom message via Joule. We'll get to that in a bit. First, define the inputs that Joule should expect from the user or ask for if the inputs are missing. For example, employee ID. Then define the output parameters for that skill. This helps to serve as a building block for other Joule skills, or in the future as a tool usable by Joule agents. I can easily embed existing build projects. Let's add an action I've already defined to retrieve employee data. Actions help you connect to SAP and non-SAP systems. This action calls an API to retrieve business partner data from OData service representing an SAP system. Now, we map the employee ID from skill input to the business partner in action input. Similarly, we add the second action for creating a badge request via an OData service representing a third-party system. As before, perform data mapping. You'll see both the output of the first action and the skill inputs available for use. Next, we create custom message for Joule to share with users after completing the task and include link to navigate directly to the badge system to view the result. To complete the design, map outputs so this Joule skill can be reused in future scenarios. Once the design is finalized, select an environment to release and deploy the project. Specify the destination. Now, let's go and test the skill within Build. Here, I'm creating a badge for an employee by providing the needed details. Joule triggered the appropriate custom Joule skill, which successfully executed and created a request. Now that you have learned how to create a Joule skill, create one for your specific use cases. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how you can build an AI agent with Joule Studio. So stay tuned.